Assalamu alaikum. This is Q from Q's Basic Cooking, and I'm sharing with you something I did this weekend for my kids. We made parathas with bacon, cheese, onions, peppers, and put all that in a dough. I chopped up the bacon, turkey bacon, and I chop up the green onions, regular onion, and peppers. I have regular roti dough, and I turn it into small balls, um, like a small egg, size of a small egg. Then we mixed up everything and just fill it up like we make our regular parathas with the stuffed potatoes or minced beef or something like that. But this time my son asked if I can add bacon to it and some cheese, so it turned out amazing. That's why I'm sharing it with you. Just keep the layers very, very thin and roll it. Add a little bit butter, fry both sides, and very simple, very delicate, very, very yummy. I'm telling you, the boys loved it. So I just put a little bit butter because that's what they wanted. You can use olive oil, you can use ghee, you can use nothing. If you don't want anything, you don't want any grease, don't put any grease. Just use your non-stick pan and make it. The cheese is bubbling inside. Repeat, make 2, 3, 4, as many as you like. Serve them warm. See, when it's on one side is cooking, apply the butter to the other side and then turn it over. Oh, look at that. Look how nice that looks. And it smells so good. It's smelling. You can use jalapeno peppers. I didn't use jalapeno. I used mild serrano. You can use jalapeno. You can use whichever you prefer. It's ready to be served. Oh, so good. It smells so fresh, so good. And I honestly never tried bacon in a paratha before, but since we had the turkey bacon on hands and I was not doing the unda paratha, so this is made upon request and it looks so crispy, so yummy. Try to subscribe, share the recipe. I know your kids will love it. The grown-ups will like it too. The kids will love it, the grown-ups will like it. It's a nice light breakfast. The dough is the regular रोटी का डो. मैंने कोई ऐसा डो यूज़ नहीं किया जो स्पेशल बटर से या किसी और चीज़ से बना हो. जस्ट जिस तरह रोटी का डो बनाते हैं, रोटी का आटा बनाते हैं, सेम वे मैंने आटा निकाला और उसके छोटे अंडे जितने बना लिए पेड़े और दो को बेल के दरमियान में ये बेकन चीज़ रखा और प्याज डाला और ज़रा सा नमक और काली मिर्च डालिए और ये देखिए कितना अच्छा बन गया. It looks so good and it smells amazing too. If you like it, try it, and when you try it, please share with your family and friends. Give me your feedback. This was something new, so I'm sharing it with you. There you go. There you go. So flaky. I was trying to break the piece without I was trying to open it without breaking it, but no, it broke because it's so delicate. There you go. And like I said, you don't want to add butter or ghee, don't. Just take your non-stick and cook it on both sides. The cheese is enough to make it nice and crispy. Alrighty, we're ready to eat. Bismillah, bismillah. Okay, yeah, one more thing. I cut it like this because it's easy to serve this way. And it's easy to eat like that too. Okay.